Hi guys, I'm Chynabsweets. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a new segment called Extra Slice, where we talk about more than just decorating. Today I'm bringing you 5 things that you can do when cake orders are slow. So let's talk about things that we can do while we're quarantined or when business is slow. So tip number 1, dummy cakes. Dummy cakes. Create dummy cakes. A dummy cake is a styrofoam cake that you can practice on. It saves food and time because you don't have to bake cake. So I will leave a link below in the description box for where I purchase my dummy cakes. They're pretty cost effective. You can get tons of shapes. They're cheap and you don't have to waste cake. So it's a win-win. You'd be surprised how many cakes online or in magazines or on Instagram are actually styrofoam dummy cakes. So you can do this too. And then you have pictures to post on the gram or post on your website or do what you will, put them in your portfolio, but you can use those pictures and no one will ever know that it is a fake cake. I will be doing a video about how to decorate a styrofoam dummy, so be on the lookout for that. If you're already subscribed and you've hit the notification bell, you will be notified when I upload it. But if you haven't, go ahead and do it. Tip number 2, try a new skill or learn a new skill. Now, you're in the house. You have nothing to do. Learn something. Isn't that what, at least that's what my mom used to tell me. So take this time. I know we all have cake people that we look up to. Most of these people have online courses. Take this time to take an online class. Better yourself. Don't just sit around the house wishing you had people partying, okay? Learn something. Step 3, and this is a very important step. Work on your business, okay? I know, especially as a creative, I love doing the creative aspects of what I do. Creating cakes, creating ideas, all things cake is what I love. It's my passion. But as a business owner, the cake side is about this much. The business side is about this much. So I'm using this time to go ahead and work on my business. Another thing that I've been doing is automating processes for myself. I know as small business owners, cakers, we generally get the same questions a lot. So what I've done and what you can do is create canned responses to those questions. So it's just a template that I have. Once a customer emails me, I can just copy that template and paste it and change the name and bam. So just think of things you can do in your business to save time or to make it better, and you can use this downtime. It's actually perfect using this downtime to go ahead and do some crap you don't want to do when you're creating cakes. 4 is collaborate. Collaborate with your fellow cakers. We're all feeling okay. We're all hating this quarantine, and we all have slow seasons. When the wedding season is over, that is typically the slow period for us cakers. So use that time to collaborate with your fellow caker. There are a lot of collabing hashtags on Instagram that you can find and follow, and that'll give you inspiration to create cakes with your fellow bakers, and it will also drive traffic to your Instagram page. So it's a win-win. Get out there and network. The 5th tip is to find something that inspires you. It's not always going to be slow. You're going to have a busy season again. You need new, fresh ideas. Find things that inspire you. With me, I get my inspiration a lot of times from interior design. I love watching interior design shows. I love watching remodel and renovation shows, architecture, things like that give me inspiration for my cakes. Go out and find what inspires you so when you are busy again, you can have new, fresh ideas and things you want to try with your clients. So this is a bonus tip from me, Chynabsweets, to you. When business is slow, enjoy the break, okay? Enjoy the slow time. I know that's hard. We love money. I love money. I love creating cakes, but life slows you down. Things slow down. It's a process. There are ebbs and flows to anything, to life and to business. Enjoy the slow time. Everybody needs a break. Spend some time with your family. Do some self-care. Love on yourself. Enjoy the time. Stay positive. We are resilient. We are going to come back from this. So that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in to Extra Slice. If you love cake like I do, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so the next episode of Cake Slice you will be notified. Remember, I drop a new cake video every week. Thank you so much for watching and stay sweet.